What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we got some repo videos to react to. We got a lot of different crazy videos to react to, guys. Let's get into it.
Taking this.
Sir, you know, this is going to cause you a lot of trouble.
I don't give a f.
I'm videotaping this.
I don't ask me if I care.
Well, I mean, obviously not, but you know, you're going to pay the damages.
I'm not paying no damages.
Like, bro, you ain't told on my joint. Not gonna happen. This is crazy, man. I guarantee he gonna.
Sir, the truck is repossessed. It's on state property now. It's not on your property anymore, so stop it.
Because you took it out of my property.
I was actually not on your property. I was on the street.
Bro, man.
It's not on the street.
No, my truck was. I hooked it up by the front tires. So quit it.
I would do the same thing that stood there and recorded. I ain't about to get into it.
Hey, stop it.
No daggone.
Freaking get away.
No, you get off of me.
Bro, gotta act.
You better get away.
No, you get this off of me.
Some people don't play about their cars. You can't just be taking people's stuff. I know it's repo, but man, ain't no telling. Dude probably had a job and everything to do that day. That's crazy.
And on the way to drop a car off that I just got, it had it for a month. And the car lot gonna call me and tell me that the bank didn't approve my motherfucking loan.
Oh.
Like, I don't understand this shit. Is this even legal? Like, how y'all let me drive off the lot with the car, said that I was approved, just for y'all to call a month later and say, oh, you have to return the car because the bank did not approve the loan. What the fuck? I have never in my whole...
See, guys, that's why I'll never go to the dealership to get financed, because that's the stuff they pull right there. They tell you, yeah, go ahead, take the car. You know, we'll finish everything the next day, or we got to call the bank in the morning. Never, ever fall for that. I'm not saying like I don't know that, but some people don't. Never fall for that, man. That's how they get you. They don't get, if that loan don't get approved, they're going to tell you to bring that car back. I'm trying to tell you.
My whole 32 years of life ever heard anything like this before. Like, if I wasn't approved, how the was I able to drive off the lot with the car?
That's how they get you.
They are giving me my money back because this was out of my control. This had nothing to do with me. So I'm getting my money back that I put down, but it's like, why? Like, I'm just not understanding, how is this even legal? How is this even a thing? How are y'all even able to do? Like, really got settled into this car, and this is the car that we wanted. Like, and then y'all just gonna tell me out of nowhere that I'm not approved? How the am I? I'm not understanding, how am I not approved? I've had the car for a month now, literally 3 weeks. Well, almost a month. 3 weeks.
That's crazy.
And y'all telling me I wasn't approved?
That's how they do it, man. I never understood that too, but that's how these dealerships are. Because see, what they want you to do is fall in love with the car. So when you bring it back, they give you some crazy interest rate, or the interest rate go from 4% to now it's 12%. And you so in love with the car, they hoping you just gonna keep the car. That's how they do you, man. That's why you gotta be careful out here, guys.
You just snatched my tag off my car?
Cancel your contract. So
you just snatched my tag off my car?
You gotta do the software update.
You snatched my tag off
That's
my
crazy.
car? That's perfectly fine.
What?
That's perfectly fine. You can snatch it off. You'll hear from my lawyer.
I'm telling you, we're gonna cancel your registration.
Oh, that's crazy. He took the tag off her car because she didn't do the update. That's wild. How you do that? Leave it in the comments, guys. That's kind of confusing. How you gonna just take her tags off because she didn't perform the update? That's crazy.
We were sympathetic to finding him a vehicle that would fit his limited budget of $4,000. And so we found him this Subaru and said, listen, this is not a car that we had inspected, but it fits your...
Hold on, we gotta go back. Did Cuz just drive through the daggone store? Wow.
We were sympathetic to finding him a vehicle that would fit his limited budget of $4,000. And so we found him this Subaru and said, listen, this is not a car that we had inspected, but it fits your budget, and we're going to sell it on a wholesale market. But if this is something you would like to buy, we went ahead with the transaction, and he was happy. Several hours later, he came back in very upset. The finance manager was like, let's sit down, let's talk about this, let's come up with some solutions. For the emotion of the customer was just too high.
I think
Asked
I
for his
remember
money back. It's like we said, hey, the money's already been deposited in the safe. We don't have access to that right now. But, you know, sit down, let's talk about this. And he demanded that he get his money back, or he was going to drive the car right through the front door of the showroom. We moved everybody away from this area as we watched him out there rev up this Subaru and ram it right through the door. He gets out and then says, I told you I'd do it.
He wasn't playing. That's wild, man. I wonder if he got charged for that. Of course he got charged for that. Come on now. You can't just get mad and drive your car through the dealership. Like, how's that going to make the situation better? I don't know what he was mad about, but Slim wasn't playing.
Here, we got a Challenger right behind that, or it's a Charger. Mazda.
Damn.
Right here. Honda CRV repo.
And I heard that CarMax repo, CarMax auction, they be having a lot of nice cars you can go there and buy for cheap. I'm gonna go check out. Matter of fact, I'm gonna film. I'm gonna go there and film the cars that they have, guys. That'd probably be something interesting to see. It's just amazing to me how many cars are repoed, man.
Look at this Range Rover.
Range.
This was a repo too.
That's a new one.
Crazy. Won't even start. It needs a jump. But damn, look right here.
Wow.
It's another one. I mean, it's still got drinks in it. You know, a little ducky. Shit's crazy.
They pulled that.
This is a Honda Accord repo right here.
That's only with the kids stuff in it and everything.
I mean, damn, they just getting everybody, man. They was caught slipping completely.
Yeah.
That shit is crazy, man. They just changed the brakes on it. There's a BMW X1, it looks like.
Man.
It's also a repo. I mean, it's everybody's shit being still in the car, man. If this isn't a negative sign, then I don't know what is.
Man, that's wild, man. It just seems like everybody's going through a hard time, guys. You know, that's why you can't even worry about what other people doing, what other people buying. You know, it's all about taking care of yours. You know what I mean? Because somebody can be right beside the light in a brand new car. You have no idea if they're gonna pay for that car the next month. You know what I'm saying? It's just this is how it is. So we just got to always stay focused on our own business for the most part. Repo time.
That was loud.
They do not care, man. Day, night, midday, they come to get it.
Like a rookie, I didn't have a good angle, so I had to go forward and back again.
I swear, man, if my car is on the repo, unless I want them to take it, I'm hiding that one. But you can't even do that now because they can find them. All these cars got
Camera car checked the VIN, but I got to double check.
College. Was that a Challenger? Yeah, Challenger. What's it? Made up a name. That's crazy. Dang. They just lift you up and pull you on out of there. Dang, bro, I'd be mad, bro. Man, take that man less than 5 seconds to pull your car up out of there. They probably wanted them to take their car. That's just too easy.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person.
That's like running away.
For a family of 4.
Wow.
Oh, shit.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday.
Oh, that's all.
Jet2 holiday. Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday.
That's crazy. What is that? Look like a Lucid or something, like a electric car. That's crazy. Not a Bentley. That's wild, man. That was a Bentley. They put on that joint like it's an Altima. That's terrible, man. Anybody can fall on hard times, man. It's just evident. If this don't prove to people that just because somebody's driving in a car that you think is more expensive than yours, or it is more expensive than yours, that they can't have hard times as well, these videos should prove that to you guys. So it just lets you know to just keep focusing on what you're doing, keep working on your grind, because it might be your day the next day. You might be up here and somebody else might be down here, and it flip-flops. You know, life is a roller coaster, man. So we just got to focus on our own and don't worry about what other people doing, what other people buying them, how they got it, you know, why they got it. Doesn't matter. That's the main message these videos are giving us, guys. Just focus on what you got going on. All right, guys, there you have it, man. Just a couple different videos for you guys today. I'm kind of under the weather, so I'm just trying to work through it and bring you guys some content. If you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. Remember, focus on yourself, focus on your goals. Appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.